Here are the top 5 must-have cryptocurrencies for your portfolio. Number 1. XRP is placed as the number 1 coin due to the conclusion of the Ripple case. Potential for regulated status is massive. It can be the first regulated cryptocurrency, and that could make for future bull run advantages. Number 2. Polygon Matic is highlighted as a Layer 2 solution to Ethereum with strong partnerships and potential growth compared to Chainlink. It's a solid growth coin to have in your portfolio. Number 3. Ethereum. ETH is arguably the strongest altcoin available. The merge is a major milestone for Ethereum, and it is expected to have a number of benefits for the network. Its scarcity and use in the market position it as a digital gold alongside Bitcoin. Number 4. Cardano. ADA is a safe gainer with potential of 20 times returns. Despite not matching XRP's or Polygon's growth potential, it's still a good coin to have. Number 5. Bitcoin is necessary to your holdings, but its proportion in a portfolio should be balanced with altcoins due to its high price, with the goal of reaching at least 0.25 BTC for diversification.